talk about the automatic oiling system. This is automatic oil pump. It pumps oil then through all the pipe into the runner block, ball screw, and on all the other access as well. So if you can see the oil from the bottom dripping or from the guide rail dripping, all you need to do is wipe it off. Just wipe it. And if you see this often, then it means pump too much oil. No matter which model you have, the oil essentially just two settings. You press set or you press and hold set. They will come with settings. First is simple setting is for how many seconds it pumps the oil. Currently is 10. If you press again, it will tell you the interval between each pump. Like this is also for the minutes. This actually is minutes. So that's a long time. Then you press again, then it will be pump that 10 seconds. It's set. Okay, then stop it. So whenever you can also reset the timer. This is goes down, say 1 minute down. You set it, go back. You can press and hold. It's gonna pump. So if you pump too much, you will reduce the pumping time. When the pumping time reduced one, you cannot reduce anymore. You increase the interval. If you increase to 999, you cannot increase anymore. Then I think it's because you switch on and off machine too many times. Because every time you switch on and off machine, they will pump that set interval. Okay, but anyway, overall, it's a very simple thing. And if you want to bypass it, you open this cover, remove this two wire. Okay. But when the oil is also very low, it will beep. Then you just put the lubrication oil from us. But generally, for the most common use, pumping is a few seconds and the pumping interval is very long.